Once we press show toast, you can see that it says our message.
In this video, I will be showing you how to create a custom toast message in Android Studio. Let's get right to it. So the first thing we're gonna do is head over to activity main, which is right here. And we're just gonna create a button, so when we press this button, the toast message will appear. I'm gonna head over to design because I feel like it's just easier to drag and drop. I'm just gonna leave it right here, just like this. I think this should be great. I'm gonna head over back to split, and I'm gonna give it an ID of button, but you can give any ID that you want it to be, any ID name that you want it to be. And inside the text, I'm just gonna make show toast. I'm gonna make it show this right here. Show this as the name. Now we're gonna head over back to main activity.java, and we're gonna initialize the button. We're gonna do button. Then we're gonna come down here and do button equals find view by ID r.id and the name that you gave the ID. So the name I gave the ID is button, so it's gonna be r.id.button. We're just gonna do a semicolon. Now we're gonna set up an on-click listener for this button, so we'll just do button dot set on-click listener. We'll do new view. Basically, the onset click listener is when you press the button, it's gonna show the toast message basically. Now what we're gonna do is type toast dot, and our Android Studio already has it up for me. So what we're gonna do is this is where we put the context. So you're gonna put the name of your activity, which is right here. I'm gonna do main activity, and then you're gonna put dot this. This is to show so the toast message can know which layout it should show in basically. And for the text, you can just type anything you want. I'm going to put toast tastes good with butter. Anything you want. And for right here where it says length underscore short, you can even put length underscore long. Depending on the time you want it to show up on the screen, if you put it to toast.length underscore short, it will only show for a short amount of time. Toast.less underscore long, it will show for a long amount of time. Basically this. So we basically finished the logic. Now I'm gonna open the emulator and show the app.
Now that we're back on the emulator, once we press show toast, you can see that it says our message. It says toast tastes good with butter. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I highly recommend that you go to my channel and check out my other tutorials. MaskedProgrammer out.